Hello, my name is Libby with the Washoe County Library System, and welcome to today's Makerspace craft. As the days drag on without being able to see some of our loved ones, you may be wondering how we can reach out and connect to them with a special way. Well, getting mail from someone we care about could brighten anyone's day, and it's just as fun sending a letter as it is receiving one. So today, we'll be making personalized and totally unique envelopes out of old magazines to spice up your snail mail game. And don't worry, if you need a refresher on how to address it, we've got you covered.
For today's craft, you will need a few old magazines, scissors, clear tape, an old envelope or the envelope template provided printed out, a pen or marker, a blank or lined paper for the letter, and a USPS stamp. First, rip open the old envelope and lay it flat. Just be careful not to tear it too much. Or, if using the template, cut out along the outside lines. Next, pick some magazine pages that appeal to you or make whoever you're sending it to happy. You can get really creative with this step. Using the scissors, cut down the page as close to the crease as possible. Now, lay the envelope template on the page, centering it on the image you would like, and trace around the edge. Then, we'll cut out the tracing. Lastly, we'll fold the bottom largest flap up and crease. Then, we'll fold the left and right small flaps over the bottom flap and tape the edges.
All right, now that we have our envelope, it's time for our letter. You can write and tell them your favorite shows or books you've been reading recently, tell them a funny joke, draw a picture, or just simply tell them you miss and love them. They'll appreciate your effort, whatever you decide. So we have our envelope, we have our letter inside, and now all that's left to do is address it. So just follow the rest of these steps if you need a quick reminder. And then also, depending on the pattern of your envelope, you may need to write the addresses on little pieces of white paper and tape them on the back, just so they're more easily seen.
Start in the top left corner. This is where we'll write our return address. The first line will be your name. The second line will be your street address and an apartment number if needed. The third line will be your city, state, and zip code. Next, we'll move into the middle of the envelope. This is where we will write the receiver's address. The first line will be their name. The second line will be their street address plus an apartment number if needed. The third line will be their city, state, and zip code. Now, we're ready to place our stamp in the top right corner. Make sure all of the edges are taped down and you're ready to send it out. You can leave it for your mail carrier to pick up in your mailbox, or search for one of the many blue USPS drop-off boxes located around town.
Thank you so much for joining us for our Makerspace craft today. Make sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more programs and events like this. And don't forget to tag us in your beautiful creations at Washoe County Library. Have fun and be safe.